Hello students, today we will be solving a problem from class 10 biology, heredity and evolution. So question says, identify the right pair among the following. A. Wing of a bird and forelimb of a horse. It is a homologous organ. B. Wing of a bat and forelimb of a squirrel. Analogous organs. Wing of a bird and wing of a butterfly. Homologous organs. And fin of fish and wing of a bird, analogous organ. So here they are asking about homologous and analogous organ, which are evidences of evolution. So these are morphological and anatomical evidences of evolution. So what are homologous organs? Homologous organs are those organs which have similar origin and basic plan. Their origin is common and basic plan is also similar, but showing different function. But they are showing what? They are showing different function. So these type of organs are called homologous organs, while analogous organs have different origin, guys. So analogous organs have different origin and basic plan. Origin and basic plan उनका क्या रहेगा? Different रहेगा, but perform similar function. Common is their function. So two types of organs, homologous organs or analogous organs are there. These are evidences of evolution. So here, wing of a bird. First option is wing of a bird and forelimb of a horse. So guys, wing of bird is modified forelimb. Modified forelimb. So wing of bird and wing of all the wings of the birds are modified forelimbs, and forelimb of a horse, both are forelimbs. So they have similar origin. तो उनके पास क्या है? Similar origin और basic plan है. But wing of bird help in what? Flying, while forelimb of a horse is helping in running. So they have different functions. So these are homologous organs. Then second, they are asking about wing of a bat and forelimb of squirrel. So guys, wing of bat is also modified forelimb. So again here what is happening? That there is a similar origin. Both are forelimbs, but wing of bat is helping in flying, while forelimb of squirrel is helping in locomotion. So they are also homologous organs. And then third, they are asking about this wing of a bird and wing of butterfly. So wing of bird and wing of butterfly. Wing of bird, it is a modified forelimb again, while wing of butterfly or wing of insects is epidermal outgrowths. They are not forelimbs. They are chitinous structure, chitin की बनी हुई epidermis dermal outgrowths. So both have different origin and basic plan are different, but performing both wing of a bird and wing of butterfly is helping in what? Flying. So they have common function. So they are analogous organs. And D, fin of a fish and wing of bird. So fin of fish and wing of bird both have common origin. Okay, both of them have common origin, while fin is helping in what? Swimming, and wing of bird is helping in flying. So different functions. So these are what? Homologous organs. So wing of a bird and forelimb of a horse is a homologous organ. Correct. Wing of bat and forelimb of skull is a homologous organ, not analogous. So B is incorrect. Wing of a bird and wing of a butterfly, these are analogous organs, not homologous organs. So C is incorrect. Fin of a fish and wing of a bird are homologous organs. So D is also incorrect. So answer here is option A. That is, wing of a bird and forelimb of a horse is a homologous organ. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel.